Got him. Got one. Big. We're in the backwater creeks today. Again, you guys seem to like it, so we're back here. We're back at the same creek that you guys saw in the last video. If you guys haven't seen that video, it's gonna pop up right here. Go check it out. I brought some bigger tackle this time because I hooked a fish last time that I couldn't stop, so I was like, maybe if I go back with some bigger tackle, I'll be able to catch the bigger grouper. I'm assuming it was a grouper, so hopefully with the bigger tackle that I brought today, we're gonna be able to stop some of the bigger fish and catch a lot more fish. So what I got here is a 5,000 twin power 40-pound braid on a Daiwa Proteus inshore. The line rating on this rod is 15 to 25 pounds. Then I have 50-pound Daiwa fluorocarbon right here. And then of course we got the NLBN in smoked mullet. We're gonna throw this color first and then we're gonna switch it up to the white that I have on now. I'm gonna take it off and put the smoked mullet on, and hopefully we'll be able to catch some of the bigger ones. Let's get in there. Wow, that was big. And I catch some fish. I heard about these.
Fish, big fish.
Are you serious? Yeah. Grouper. Turn the trolling motor. All the way left.
Move!
Reverse, go reverse. That was like a 30-pound Jew.
You think?
100%.
I think that was a snake.
Small snook. Small snookums.
Bass fishing for snook. Where in the water column was he?
On top. Ow. Ow.
You get you?
Yes, dude. Oh my god! Grouper followed it all the way up, dude. All the way to the boat trying to eat it. No! Followed it. Got him. Oh, holy shit. It's a good one. Look at that. Solid little guy. I mean, look at the pattern on him. Beautiful. Look at his fins. He's all flared up. Let's get him unhooked and then let's let him go real quick. All right, right back to where I caught him. There he goes. It's a lot faster than a bailed reel, but got one. That's a fish.
No way.
No, dude. Yes, it was fighting back. I swear. Dude. It took drag for like 2 seconds. Dude. How did he get unpinned? Probably barely hooked. And you know damn well you hook a grouper and that shit ain't coming off.
No. Oh yeah. No.
Big snook? No, not big. Go right, just go right. And then just, you're good.
Not as bad as I thought.
You were like, got him! I got him!
I thought it was snack. Oh!
He pulled, you see?
I thought that was a log at first.
Wow, great skip. Great skip. Oh my god. Railed. Dude. Dude, I think you could see that thump on camera. You got hit? No. Got one.
Oh, God. That's the same one.
Smaller. You think that's what thumped me?
Probably. Same spot, he missed it.
Almost like they're being lazy today. Oh, there we go. Another one. Bites the dust. A little bit smaller. He's a lot smaller. Yeah. Calm down there, pal. I'm gonna unhook you and just let you go. Calm down. There it is. Nibbling and little Goliath grouper. There he goes. Got one. Big. Goliath. Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Bro, he put up a fight, dude. That's probably why you hooked.
Honestly, it might have been something like that. That was on my light setup.
Oh my god, dude, he fought so hard. Dude, he almost wrapped me up in the tree. You're like, what is it?
Oh, another big snap bonus. To get a big snap.
Look at this one's got some yellow on him. Right there. Look at that yellow. You got like a yellow patch right there. Great pattern. He's darker on this side. Hey, calm down there, pal. Calm down there. All right, let's unhook you and let you go. Got some yellow on his fin right here. He's got yellow tips right here and right here. That's dope. Ah, bro, these mouths on these grouper are just like. One last look at him before we let him go. Right there, solid little guy. Hey, calm down there, my dude. They fight. Oh, you got one?
Middle of the channel.
Middle of the channel. Oh my god. Dude, do you know how rare that is? Like back to back? Bro, that one's looking pink on the bottom. It's looking like a red grouper.
Bro, that thing hit like high. Alright, make sure you get a picture and tag Chuckalowski for it.
Oh, I'm on non-play. Imagine. You want a picture of it?
Maybe. I don't know. It's pretty tiny.
Look at him. Show him closer. Solid little dude. Alright, just toss him back. Yeah. Another Jewy.
Wow. A lot of them.
Telling you, dude, for science. Like, we could literally... Another one bites the dust here. This one's kind of pink. Oh, this one's like, looks like it was spawning type shit.
Like, looks like what?
It was spawning. It has like, dude, it looks like, yo, you don't have to wet me, dude. I'm just trying to take the lure out of your mouth, let you go, so you can become big. But look at that solid little one. This one's kind of pink. Almost like a whitish pinkish. But look at how this little guy, look at how this little guy ate that. Munched it. Are you on? Oh, snook. Snookums. Wow. Yo, you're wetting me. You're wetting.
I'm trying to get both of those.
There it is, a snook and a grouper. Alright, get your little squeaky. Oh, there he goes. Perfect. Came off. The grouper, on the other hand, is. Oh no! Popped right out. Thank you, little guy. There she goes. Oh, there he goes. It's a nicer one.
This one we both. Maybe slot.
Might be slot. Just keep fighting him. In the boat ski. That's a good one, dude.
It's like a 27, 28.
That's slot. There. Perfect. Good fish right there. Alright, let him go. Goodbye. Oh, that swim off.